Hello and welcome to Rita Simplifies Tech. My name is Rita, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create an electronic signature. I know the traditional and logical way of getting a document signed is printing it, signing it, then scanning the document to get it in a digital format. But hey, what if I don't have a printer? You can imagine the stress that could put me. Don't worry, I'll be showing you some ways of signing your document easily. And also, if you watch till the end, I'll be showing you how you can save a copy of your signature for the rainy day. Heads up, this is an electronic signature tutorial and not a digital signature tutorial. Electronic signature is basically the signature you sign with pen and paper in an electronic form, while a digital signature is a certificate-based digital ID, which we won't be talking about today. Enough of the talking, let's just jump into action. The first way is using the Office app. So I want to believe that everyone has a smartphone, either an iOS or an Android phone. I have an Android phone right here, so I'll go to my Play Store right here. You can go to the App Store for iOS, then search for the Office app, that's the Microsoft Office app. Once you have it, click on install, but I already have it installed, so I'll click on open to open it. Click on actions, scroll down to sign a PDF and click on it. Now we're going to choose the file. I'm just going to locate where my file is saved. Now we've got this notification that says tap where you wish to sign. So I'm just going to click on where I wish to sign, and then this window is open where I can insert my signature. So I'm just going to do that right here. I can now change the color of the ink right here. I think I like the black. I'll go with the black. I can also decide to toggle this on or off to store the signature just in case I want to do the same process again. And if I'm not happy with it, I can use the delete button right here to delete it. Or I can use this to get a photo from my images and put it here as my signature. So I'm okay with this. I'm just going to click OK, and my signature is right here, so I'm just going to drag and position it properly where it's supposed to be. And once I'm done, I can now click on OK. Now we're going to use the Adobe Acrobat Reader to sign our document. Signing a document functionality is available in the free version, so you can download it from the Adobe website or even download the app from the App Store. Either ways, it works fine. So I have it already on my laptop, so I'll quickly open my document. I'll go to my computer, browse. Once I locate my file, I'm just going to open it. Then I have my document right here. Locate the sign icon toward the top right and click on it. You have two options, either to create a signature or initials. Select add a signature. Here we can type our signature. If you want to type your signature, remember that you can change the font to the one that actually suits you, or draw a signature, or we can also add an image of the signature if we have one. So I prefer to draw the signature, so that's what I'm going to be doing here. You can clear if you're not happy with the signature and create another one. Once you're happy with it, you can decide to click this checkbox right here to save your signature, so that next time when using this app you wouldn't need to create a signature again. Click apply and drag the signature where you want it to be, which is here. Once you locate it, just click one to place it there. You can use this small letter A to decrease the size of the signature, or this to increase the size of the signature. You can also delete the signature if you want to. Now we have our signature sitting nicely on our document right here. Now if you want to have a signature saved so that you can easily attach it to any document, be it a PDF, a Word. Now it is possible to get a pen and paper, sign on it and take a picture. But the downside with this method is that you have the issue of removing background, which will not be compatible with all documents, color and all that. Forgetting transparent images that can be used on any document. On your browser, open a new tab and go to www.autodraw.com. Click on the three lines on the top left corner and select the A4 size document. Now we're going to click on draw, and this will enable us to select the color of the ink we'll use. So I'll go with the blue. You can use green, yellow, whatever suits you. So let me try the blue this time around. Make sure to center your signature on the page. And I've just signed the signature using the mouse. Once you are done with it, click on the three lines again and select download. Now we have the signature on our computer, and it is a .png file which retains the transparency of this document. Now we have the document open on Google Docs. So I'm just going to show you how you can insert the signature image we just downloaded, and you can use it across multiple documents. I'll go to where I want the signature to be and then select insert. I'm going to insert an image and I'm going to upload it from the computer. It's in the downloads folder, and then I'll search for it and choose for upload. I'm just going to size it. I think this is okay. So that is all I have for you today. I want to know in the comment section which method was easy for you to do. Make sure to subscribe on your way out for more video tutorials, and please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section, and also let me know in the comment section as well what kind of video tutorials you'd like to see from me. Until I come your way next time, bye.